Hello guys, this is Shubham Maradwaj and welcome to Salesforce Geek channel. I am back with another video, and today video is going to be a quick video about how to change the theme or color of your developer console code or text. So let's see how to make it possible. First of all, you have to go into your org and click on this gear icon and launch developer console from here. And now you will see your developer console will be launched. Now you will have to go in help, click on preferences. Now on editor theme, you can change your default theme to the specific theme. Like I will let you show how to do it. Suppose I create a class. So here is the default look of my code, and now if I change my look to something like this, like my color is totally changed and the theme of my developer org is changed. Suppose I will choose this. So anything which you want in your org to make it colorful, you can change it. So that's it about today's video. I hope you like it. Thanks.